Okay, so it's Saturday morning, getting the truck all loaded up, and I think it's time to deal with a invasive bird population in my shop out here. Seems they've gotten in underneath the peak metal, gotten into right in the peak of the roof, right above the stop sign. So, with the help of coffee and my two assistants, the three-legged motor dog and the four-legged Lulu dog, who can't seem to keep any food down this weekend. She's got a little bit of a bug maybe, but she's feeling better. So with my two assistants and the Dodge, we're going to see if we can, I'll show you where the birds are getting into the peak of the roof. Right up in that corner, right up underneath that flashing. Actually be above the white trim there, right up in the corner. They're getting into that right up underneath the roof. I can hear them up there squawking. So we're gonna see. Come on, dogs. Three-legged motor, Lulu dog. We're all gonna go inside the shop. I'm gonna set up the camera here. We're gonna see if we can take care of a bird problem. Come on, dogs. I can see the poop. Ah! Oh, yeah! They're in there. Man, it's like a heavy lump right there. Oh. Ah! Ah! Birds everywhere! Son of a bitch! Ah! Oh. There's birds in the shop. Get them, dogs. Get them. Get them. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Lou, 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 Lou. I better get that one away from Motor. Don't eat it. Good girl. Good kill shot. Good. Whoa, shit. Whoa. Well, kill it. No, not yet. Good girl. I don't know what kind of bird this is. There's a few more of them in the shop. What we're gonna do right now, we're gonna take them. It's still alive. Motor didn't kill it yet. Yeah, I don't think they're quite flying yet. There's another one, maybe another two. Come on, dogs. Okay, we got quite the debris pile on the floor, and I know there's more birds in here. Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! I can hear him in here. It's definitely. Get the birdie! Get the birdie! Don't have a home anymore, do ya? There's a couple more up in there. Let's see if we can get up and flush them out. Man, it smells like bird shit so bad. Yep, that's definitely one right there. Let's see. Get out of there. He doesn't want to jump. Jump! Jump out of there. Ah. Jump out the hole! Ah, he's got a big old beak in there too. Oh, now you turned around on me, huh? Little velociraptor. I can see him on the camera, but I can't see him. Oh. I think he fell. Looks like. Can't really tell. Can't really tell if there's anything back in there. Man, it looks like they're going this whole peak shot. Whoa. Get him! Get him! Get him! Get the birdie! Get the birdie! Yeah, look at all this poo. Yee. Big old nest right there. Nobody lives for free around here. Not gonna pay rent. Not gonna have you. So I think first things first, we're gonna grab a little bit of spray foam. Let's see, the great stuff. And we'll just shake it up real good. Not gonna let them get back in. But I know there's more in here. I can hear them squeaking. Get him! Get him! Yeah! Get the birdie! Get the birdie! Get the birdie! It's like a grenade. We're gonna make this happen. Don't get the cap. Kidding me? Okay. Time. Spray foam right up in the peak so that they can't get back into the shop. There's just a whole lot of poo and stuff in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fill it up. I did do this once before, but I think they ate it all. I'm just gonna shoot some up in here. Kind of seal up that area. Maybe a little bit more right up in here. Isn't spray foam wonderful? Oh. Ugh. It's like ooze. Something out of Ghostbusters. Yuck. Alright. Now, oh, get the birdie. Get the birdie. Good girl, Lou. Get her. Get her. Get her. Alright. And with my assistance, Lulu. Good girl. Motor, the three-legged wonder. Motor. Good girl. Get the birdie. Get the birdie. With the help of my assistants and a handy can of spray foam, I think we've successfully deterred the bird effort. Now all we gotta do is root them out. Until next time, signing off.